Hey there, it's BooBee, ready to share some awesome tips on what to do if you ever find yourself facing bullying. Remember, you've got the power to respond with kindness and confidence. Let's dive in. Number 1. First things first, take a deep breath. Stay calm like a peaceful lake. When you're calm, you can think clearly and respond wisely. Number 2. You're not alone in this. Talk to a friend or family member you trust. They can provide support, comfort, and even help you figure out what to do next. Number 3. Grown-ups are like your safety net. If the bullying continues, tell a teacher, parent, or counselor you feel comfortable with. They're here to help make things better. Number 4. Stand tall and be firm, but respectful. Let the person know their behavior isn't okay. You deserve kindness and respect, just like everyone else. Number 5. Friends are like rays of sunshine on a cloudy day. Stick with friends who support and uplift you. Together, you're a powerful team. Number 6. Embrace your super strengths and hobbies. Doing what you love boosts your confidence and helps you feel amazing. Number 7. Treat yourself like a treasure. Engage in self-care activities like reading, drawing, or spending time with pets. It's all about nurturing your well-being. Number 8. There are wonderful support groups out there. Reach out to them for advice, encouragement, and a place where you can share your feelings. Number 9. You're a shining star, one of a kind. Remember your worth, embrace your uniqueness, and let your inner light shine brightly. If the bullying persists, it's time to consider advanced methods. Document each bullying incident. Keep a record to show adults who can help. Don't delete messages. Keep screenshots and recordings as evidence of what's happening. This can be helpful if you need to show someone what's been going on. Educate yourself about bullying. Knowledge is power, and understanding different strategies can empower you to handle the situation. If the adults you've reached out to don't provide assistance, don't give up. Seek help from other trusted individuals who will take action. If necessary, seek legal help. Understand the bullying policies in your country, school, workplace, or university. Knowing your rights can give you the strength to stand up against bullying. Get involved in anti-bullying activities. Creating awareness helps build a community that stands against bullying. Be a role model by treating others with kindness. Your positive actions inspire others to do the same. Don't let anyone, not even a trusted adult such as a parent, teacher, or counselor, silence you or take away your power. If you've provided evidence of bullying, hold on to it. It's your voice and your right. You're never alone in this community. We're here to support, uplift, and help you navigate tough times. Share your feelings and we'll stand by you. You're doing amazing, my fantastic friends. Facing bullying can be tough, but you have the strength to respond with kindness, courage, and confidence. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Keep spreading kindness, standing tall, and remember that together we can make the world a better place.